Well, that's kind of cool. Like
There's a
magic,
lot of
I guess it makes sense.
What's up?
Look, I have
Over
a
here.
friend.
Oh my god, don't touch your friend.
Oh my god.
Wait, what happened?
Excuse me. Pardon.
I don't know what that is, but it just grew
No
and
problem.
started chasing her.
Oh, shit. Pet the dog? I don't think I should pet the dog. I don't think I should pet the dog.
Hi, Mar.
That's so scary.
Yeah, I
sorry.
saw it.
Fuck.
I saw.
That was